Hi, my name is Jack Wright, and I am doing some of an interior angles of a polygon. Disclaimer, if I sound weirder than my last one, it's because I had surgery on Wednesday. So, first things first, what is a polygon? A polygon is a shape that has three or more sides and is enclosed. So, this is a triangle, it's a polygon, this is a polygon, this is a polygon as well. It has five sides, this one's four, that one's three. And even these weird ones. Like these ones are kind of super duper weird. But yeah. So, how to find the interior angles of a polygon. So, first you put so since triangles are 180 degrees total, you could just put two triangles in each however many triangles fit in each shape. Or that would take too long. Or you can use this equation. X equals 180 parentheses s minus 2. S equals the amount of sides there is. 2 is you're minusing two sides from it. And then you get x, which is the interior angles. So, for a triangle, you would do 3, because since there is 3 sides, you would do 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 times 180 would be 180. So, and then you do it for a square would be 4 minus 2 times 180, which is 360. And then for a pentagon, it would be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is, I'm pretty sure, like 540. So, first things first, let's get to our two examples. Like, those are our examples, but these are the ones that you're going to want to do. So, this one looks like a weird demented shoe. And this one, since this one is a polygon, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 sides. So then you implement it into this equation. 12 minus 2, you get 10, and then 10 times 180 is 1,800 degrees. So this next one is a polygon because it has 8 sides, but this one looks like a weird Pac-Man. That's what it looks like. It's kind of funny. But this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then you implement 8 sides. So the number 8 into this equation. 8 minus 2, which is 6. And you do 6 times 180, which is 1,080. This is my project for this is my second project on sum of interior angles of a polygon.